Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify Forcestop. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify Forcestop, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will enter to the window of Spotify and you will click. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on Forcestop and we click OK. Here we go to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. You will find the clear data. Don't click here because that can make errors on your app. And after that you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.